Today we are going to talk about Comet web browser, and it is from Perplexity, and it has AI enabled inside this. The purpose of this the best use case of this Comet web browser is that we can automate anything in our web browsers. So let me show it. To download this, open any web browser and type there download web browser, Comet browser. So it is from Perplexity. So just open this page. So from here you can click on this download Comet, uh, and after installing it, this is how it appears on your system. So let's open it. Uh, right now I am already logged into my Gmail account, and if I go here and I see my settings, so see under connectors, it is already partially connected to my Gmail account. So I can ask it anything regarding Gmail. Let's ask it something like open Gmail, open my Gmail account. So see here the automation is working and it has opened my Gmail account. So this is assistant, and here I can ask it anything based upon this uh, website. So let me ask it, show me all emails from Messi. I know that some of the emails from Messi are in promotions tab. So here it is trying to do that automation. So you see now all these emails are in my inbox under promotions tab. Please delete these emails from Messi. So see it's selecting them and it will delete them. So now it has deleted them, and uh, this is how it works. This is how the automation in web browsers can be achieved, and it can also be used to search on Amazon, add some of the products, top rated products to your shopping cart. So, and it can also summarize open web pages, do anything which is possible in browser. I hope this was informative. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.